Our innovative character has led us, since our origins, to be recognized in the automotive rebuilding sector, both for our operational capacity and for our commitment to the circular economy. Quality is our objective, and we have achieved it thanks to our long experience. We started out in engine rebuilding, but we soon diversified our activity by extending our range of products, always linked to the automobile, such as cylinder heads, turbochargers, gearboxes, injection systems, differentials, transfers and torque converters. After 40 years, we still maintain the spirit that has always made us different and a point of reference, because we are a team you can trust. A competent structure for any production challenge. A seal contrasted by its results and trajectory. Our experienced staff and our production equipment in constant renovation augur a promising present and future with the new CNC machining division for any type of part. A know-how that, over the years, has led us to continue moving forward with more strength and investing in R&D&I, improving our efficiency and at the same time committing ourselves to the environment. A business group with more than 200 employees that, day after day and year after year, has always offered the best of itself and will continue to offer it, so that you will always stay on the road.